What's up, YouTube?
Cool. That's your installation instructions. Yep, we're going to use that later. Cool. Brand new. Very excited. We'll do this the hard way. Adjustable wrench. The other one from the driver's side, no sweat, man. The passenger side O2 sensor is a bitch, man. She doesn't want to go anywhere, so we will use lubrication. We have this penetrating oil. Oh my god, this is hard. I hope you guys can see that. There you go. See it? I'm not sure. There's no much room to work on. Alright. Let's figure this out together. Alright. This one is cable right here. An electronic cable. I got it. Yeah, you can see right here. I got this already. Earlier. And the problem is the other side. Other side is a bitch. Alright, let's try BB Blaster. By the way, guys, downstream O2 sensors. Other side, this one. Oh snap! There's no much room. Is this your downstream? That's your upstream. Let's try to remove that. We are going to remove that right now. Where's my wrench? Hand it to me. Please hand it to me. Oh my god. This is a bad idea. O2 sensor socket. The consequences of being lazy. Alright, folks, got it, baby. It was pain in the butt, but Yeah, I know guys, you got the idea. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. Our new auto sensors. These are our old auto sensors. You would like to replace both of them at the same time. These are my upstream auto sensors. So if the other one is faulty and the other one is working, you wouldn't like to just replace the other one. So it's way better to replace two of them at the same time. You know what I mean? It's all up to you. And that's me. That's how I do it. A good auto sensors would give you a resistance, and it has 3.2 ohms of resistance. Make sure don't over tight these auto sensors. So to do that, you can use a torque wrench. Torque wrench would be the perfect tool to torque your auto sensors. If you don't have that, this is what you're going to do. Finger tight. For M18 sensors, you turn your auto sensor tight and snug, then half turn to 3/4 turn. For M12 sensors, you would turn your sensor half turn or 3/4 turn. That would be perfect. That's how you do it if you don't have a torque wrench. Connect these auto sensors, this port of auto sensors, before plugging all the electronic plugs. Alright, there you go guys. This is our upstream auto sensor from our bank one. Tight and snug. And for the other one, passenger side, which is your bank 2. Bank 2, sensor 1. Now we will check if the car is working properly. Basically, we fix the problem on this car. this code. I remember like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. So we tried to fix that earlier. We'll erase that code. See, we got a malfunction indicator light, aka engine light. So we need to delete the code. We already fixed the problem. Hopefully we already fixed the problem. We'll see after 10 miles of driving. Release done. Now time to test drive the car, and we'll see if we still have the problem.